Small pots don't mean small impact. Some of the most stunning low-maintenance plants thrive in tight spaces. From trailing succulents to colorful foliage that survives low light, these plants are perfect for apartments, balconies, and windowsills. Stick around, because a few of them can even clean your air and bloom in places you'd never expect. Peperomia is a compact plant that thrives in small pots, adding texture and charm to shelves and desks. It loves bright filtered light and needs well-draining soil to avoid root rot. A perfect low-maintenance choice for any room. Moth orchids are a timeless favorite with their elegant pink blooms. These thrive in indirect sunlight and prefer their roots slightly damp but never soggy. Ideal for a bright windowsill or tabletop display. The Flamingo flower makes a bold statement in small containers with its glossy red blooms. It thrives in high humidity and bright indirect light. Keep the soil moist but not wet to enjoy its long-lasting flowers. African violets are compact and easy to grow, producing pretty blooms year-round. They love bright light and need well-draining soil to avoid soggy roots. Perfect for small planters on windowsills or desks. Aloe vera is not just practical, it's one of the best small pot plants for sunny spots. It thrives in dry conditions with very little water. Just place it in a bright area and forget about it for days. Baby toes are tiny succulents with a fun, quirky shape that resembles little green toes. These thrive in full sun and dry soil. Use terracotta pots to give them the drainage they love. Jade plant brings structure and personality to your plant corner. It needs very little water and enjoys full sun or partial shade. Its thick leaves store moisture, making it an easy care plant for any container. String of pearls looks like a beaded necklace cascading from small hanging pots. These love sunlight and dry, well-drained soil. They're perfect for shelves or sunny window corners. Chinese money plant with its round coin-like leaves adds a modern, quirky look to small spaces. It grows well in low to moderate light and prefers soil that stays slightly moist. A must-have for minimal indoor decor. ZZ plant is a hardy indoor choice that handles low light and irregular watering. It's perfect for beginners or low-light corners of your home. Just water when the soil is dry and enjoy its shiny green leaves. Coffee plant brings lush tropical vibes to your home with glossy green foliage. It loves indirect light and moist, well-drained soil. Place it near a bright window and enjoy the rich greenery. Red Aglaonema pops with pink-red tones that brighten up dull corners. It thrives in partial shade and appreciates consistently moist soil. Great for adding color to desktops or side tables. Rubber plant adapts well to various light levels, making it ideal for apartments. It grows well in small pots with good drainage. Its broad leaves create a bold tropical feel. Burro's tail adds texture and drama with its trailing teardrop leaves. It's perfect for hanging pots in sunny areas. Let the soil dry between waterings and watch it thrive. Kalanchoe is a cheerful bloomer that brings bright flowers to your compact garden. It loves sun and doesn't need much water. A great pick for busy gardeners who still want color. Shamrock plant has clover-like leaves that open and close with light. It thrives in bright indirect light and moist soil. A fun and dynamic plant for tabletops or windowsills. Polka dot plant stands out with splashes of pink and green on every leaf. It thrives in humidity and soft light. Keep it well watered and enjoy its playful look in compact containers. Dracaena grows upright with striking foliage, making it a space-saving option for small pots. It does well in various light levels and needs only occasional watering. A simple yet stylish choice for offices or living rooms. Spider plant is a classic that never goes out of style. Its arching leaves and baby plantlets add a playful touch. It grows fast in bright indirect light and tolerates a range of indoor conditions. Haworthia is a tough little succulent with striped pointed leaves. It's perfect for desks and small pots and needs very little care. Just give it light and let the soil dry between waterings. Echeveria adds rosette charm in colors from green to purple. It loves full sun and dry soil, making it a great fit for sunny windowsills. These succulents stay compact and neat, ideal for small spaces. Prayer plant adds movement to your mini garden. Its leaves fold up at night. It enjoys low to moderate light and consistently moist soil. Mist often to keep it thriving in its cozy pot. Satin pothos brings a silvery sheen to your greenery collection. It trails beautifully from small pots and grows well in low to medium light. Water when the soil feels dry and let it cascade. Philodendron Brazil shows off with variegated heart-shaped leaves. It's easy to grow in small containers and handles low light like a pro, a touch of the tropics for your windowsill. Herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and thyme bring fresh flavor to your kitchen garden. These grow well in small pots with plenty of sun and regular watering. Harvest often and enjoy right from the pot. Calathea, also known as the peacock plant, has colorful patterned leaves that dance with the light. It loves humidity and low light, a true showstopper for compact indoor spaces. Chili plants bring fiery color and fresh spice to your small pots. They thrive in full sun and need regular watering, perfect for a sunny windowsill or balcony. Chives are compact, easy to grow, and full of flavor. They enjoy sun and well-drained soil, making them perfect for kitchen counters or patio tables. A handy herb that doubles as decor. Painted leaf begonia brings bold color to small pots with its dazzling red and silver leaves. It does best in bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil. Keep it away from harsh sun to maintain its vibrant foliage indoors. The nerve plant stands out with its colorful veins running across deep green leaves. It thrives in high humidity and indirect light, making it perfect for bathrooms or terrariums. Keep the soil evenly moist and it will flourish in small terracotta pots. If you're short on space but big on plant dreams, these compact choices are your green ticket. Like what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss the next gardening idea.